Looking to jump into Livescope? These Black Friday and Cyber Week deals are the best you'll find all year, but they're going fast. Today, I'm breaking down every option from budget-friendly starter kit to premium 12-inch setups to help you get the perfect system for your needs and your budget. I'll guide you through my recommended packages with everything clearly numbered and linked in the description and comments below. And don't worry, if something sells out, I will try my best to keep updating with similar deals throughout the sales, but act fast. These are not going to last. Drop your questions in the comments and let's jump in. So when you're putting together a Livescope setup, either buying a bundle or building your own, there's a few things that you need to consider. 1, what is the screen that's included? 2, what is the transducer that's included? 3, the shuttle. 4, the battery, and 5, the pole. There's other additional accessories that we're not going to touch on in this video, but I will link down below in kind of an upgrades bucket. Package 1 is what I'm calling the Get Started Upgradable package. This is the only package that we're going to talk about that does not actually have Livescope in it. The idea here is build a base foundation at a budget level that's great for a flasher graph setup, but then you can just upgrade to live imaging down the road because everything will work with it. This first package is $700. It's actually a pre-built bundle that's available from Shields. It's $700. The screen is a 7-inch Echomap UHD 73CV screen. It's got the GT10 ice fishing transducer with it, so you'll be able to use it like a flasher. This is actually my favorite ice fishing transducer on the market. And it comes with a Garmin shuttle, it comes with a Garmin battery, and it comes with a Garmin bag. So it's a great all-around getting started into it, kind of that transition from a typical Vexilar Markham flasher style, moving over to a graph style. You'll still be able to get mapping on it, and you'd be able to use it open water as well for like down imaging. Package 2 is what I call the budget Livescope package. And this is actually a combination of 2 deals going on right now. So make sure you snatch them up while they last, because I expect one of the 2, if not both, to go very fast. This comes in at $1,700 with a 9-inch Garmin Echomap UHD 93SV screen. It also, bonus, comes with a GT54 open water transducer, so you can get down imaging and side imaging if you have a boat or a kayak that you want to set it up with. We're not factoring that into the benefit of this bundle deal in terms of getting the best bang for your buck, but it is a nice little extra bonus. It will have the LVS32, so the Livescope transducer. I still rock the Livescope LVS32. Of course, I've got the LVS34, the Livescope Plus as well. And honestly, the 32 is an incredible transducer. I think it's better than the competition in terms of Lowrance and Humminbird right now, even by itself. So this is a great way to get in at a nice savings. In terms of the shuttle that you're rocking with here, it is the Garmin shuttle. It will be a battery in that Garmin package as well. And then you get the Garmin pole that you're going to be using to get started as well. It does also nicely come inside of the Garmin bag. So the 2 packages that you're getting is it's $1,000 Reed's Garmin Panoptix Livescope Ice Fishing Kit. This is half off right now. So it's normally $2,000 MSRP. It's down to $1,000. Now in terms of the screen package, this is actually the Cabela's or Bass Pro deal for $700, where you're getting the Garmin Echomap UHD 93SV, which includes the GT54 open water transducer. That package right there, $1,700, and that would be where I would say if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the best price right now to get into Livescope, that is the deal. Now, if either piece of this sells out, the next best option that is going to be out there, if it's still available, is from Shields. Shields has a UHD2 93SV LVS32 bundle for $100 more, so it's $1,800. Now, we need to realize, yes, it is a better, newer screen, if you will. It's not going to really make too big of a difference, honestly, with Livescope, but it is technically their 2nd generation of the UHD series, so it is a nicer, newer screen that you're getting for that $100 upgrade. However, you're not getting the open water transducer. It does not come with that GT54. And that Shields bundle I'll call package 2B down below. All right, so starting with package 3. Now, if you have that budget for that $1,700 or $1,800 package 2, great, you're good to go. If you have a little bit of extra money and you're like, I want to get something a little bit better than that, or there's a specific feature that I want. So your options here are get a bigger screen, get a better transducer, the LVS34 transducer, get a better shuttle, better battery, better pole. And here is what I would do. For $2,240, the way that I would go is I would actually stick with that 9-inch screen. I would stick with that LVS32. I've done this many different times. I've gotten many different setups. I've used many different setups. My recommendation is keep the LVS32, keep the 9-inch screen, and get rid of that shuttle, that Garmin shuttle, get rid of that lead acid battery, and get rid of that Garmin pole. So I would still buy that package 2 or 2B, where it's the Livescope LVS32 ice kit for the $1,000, and then that Garmin Cabela's Bass Pro deal for $700 for the 93 screen. But what I would do next is I would go Amped Outdoors. I'd get a 30 amp hour Life PO4 battery, and with the deals that are going on right now, you can get it for $189 through the links down below. The HDI Carbon Ice Pole combo, I'd get rid of that Garmin pole. I'd upgrade to this guy for $135 through the deals going on right now. And then I would get that HD Innovation shuttle as well for $216. And the reason why you're doing this is because these three components are going to be critical to any setup that you're going to have moving forward. Now, you could get a bigger battery if you want to as well. And once you get to the 10-inch screens that we'll talk about later, you're going to want a bigger screen. So this is really focused on what stage are you in. It doesn't make sense to necessarily get a bigger battery now. I'd rather spend that money or save that money up to be able to do a different upgrade down the road. But package 3 is $2,240. All right, if you got a little bit more money than that and you want to upgrade, package 4 comes in about $500 more at $2,740. These are all prices, of course, before tax. You're upgrading to the LVS34. So the only thing you're doing differently from package 3 is instead of buying the Garmin Livescope LVS32 ice kit for $1,000, you're just going to go ahead and buy the Livescope Plus deal that's going on right now for $1,500. And that comes with the Livescope Plus transducer and the black box. So what you're getting here is the Garmin Echomap UHD93SV. You do get that GT54 open water transducer. You get the Livescope Plus transducer with it, which is great. You've got the HD Innovation shuttle. You've got that 30 amp hour battery from Amped Outdoors. And then you've got the HD Innovations pole, bringing you to the $2,740. This is what I call the 9-inch Livescope Plus bundle. Package 5 is for the person that wants to go with now an upgraded 10-inch screen. So you got a little bit more money to use. But I will call this out. If you are a Cabela's or Bass Pro Club member, so you have their credit card, and this deal is still going on right now, you actually want to go with this instead of package 4 because you're getting a lot better value here, and it's only going to cost you an extra $35 from package 4. However, if you are not a Cabela's or Bass Pro credit card member, package 5 is an upgrade from package 4, and you're going to be spending about $400 more. So it comes in at $2,775 if you're a Bass Pro or Cabela's Club Card credit card holder, in $3,175, which is still a great deal if you are not a credit card holder. This bundle comes with the screen, the 10-inch Ultra 2 screen, and then you're going to get the Livescope Plus transducer and black box included. Now, the thing to note here is it's not going to come with a shuttle or a battery or a pole, so you still need to purchase that. So what you're going to look at purchasing here is the HDI shuttle. So you're going to get that HD Innovation shuttle, which we had talked about before is $216. You're going to get a 52 amp hour Amped Outdoors battery because these screens are bigger. They're going to be more power hungry, and you're going to want to have that extra juice. The 52 amp hour NMC battery from Amped Outdoors with the deals going on right now gets you down to $324 on that guy. And then the HD Innovations Carbon Ice Pole combo for $135. Go with whatever shuttle, battery, pole company you want. These are the best deals, best bang for your buck with a quality product and a company that stands behind it that I recommend, which is why I recommend these. And they've got deals going on right now, which is absolutely incredible. Package 6, for those people that are looking to get HDMI out, they want to have a shuttle bundle where they can move around on the ice, but they also want to have HDMI out of their screen to plug it into the big screen, if you will. This is what I'm calling Package 6, the 10-inch Livescope Plus HDMI bundle. You are getting the deal on the Garmin GPS Map 8610 XSV. This is the best 10-inch screen that Garmin has. That's a $2,400 deal right now. And then you're going to buy the Livescope Plus straight out on the deal that's going on right now for $1,500. You're going to buy the HD Innovation Shuttle. You're going to get that 52 amp hour battery from Amped Outdoors. And then you're going to get the HD Innovations pole. All of that together, $4,575. You can see here the prices are getting up there, but the thing to note is that you are upgrading pretty significantly here. You now have the best screen that Garmin makes in a 10-inch. You have the best battery that I would argue on the market for these, the best shuttle, the best pole, the best transducer, meaning Livescope, LVS 34. So this is truly a premium. This is what my bundles look like. I have 2 of these that I use. And last but not least, say you just want to go all the way up to a 12-inch screen. No, this will not have the HDMI out. If you want HDMI out, you're going to have to add even more money on top of this. So HDMI out, I only did that 10-inch package. Package 7 is a 12-inch Ultra 2 screen. The Garmin Echomap Ultra 2 126SV Livescope Plus bundle. So that comes with the 12-inch Ultra 2 screen and the LVS 34 transducer. That's at $2,900 if you have a Cabela's or Bass Pro credit card and you're part of their club membership. And it's $3,300 if you're an average Joe that doesn't have their credit card. Both of them are a sale deal, so both of them are still a good deal, but you will pay $400 more if you don't have their credit card. I don't care if you get their credit card or not. I'm just letting you know the difference in price. You're going to want to get the HD Innovations pole, the HD Innovation shuttle, and that 52 amp hour Amped Outdoors battery. All together, you're looking at $3,575 if you have the credit card through Cabela's to get that deal. And if you don't have the Cabela's card, it's $3,975 for this package. Those are the 7 bundles that I wanted to go through. I hope this video helped you out. Please let me know down in the comments if it did, or if there's any other deals out there that maybe I missed and didn't see, and we can update those packages down below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel for a lot more coming this ice season. Take it easy.